Now I've got some transfer news relating to Stellies defender and Bafana international Fawaaz Basadien. Now I'm told that this morning Fawaaz Basadien watched the training session from the sidelines, did not take part, did not participate. This is in line with now the club's in advance discussion with Mamelodi Sundowns to get the move over the line. I'm told Fawaaz Basadien will join Mamelodi Sundowns should all things, the finer details be concluded, be completed. They've been chasing him for a while. Fawaaz Basadien has been a priority target rather for Mamelodi Sundowns. Kaizer Chiefs were in the running as well, but with the Glamour Boys signing a couple of left backs and making sure that they have cover in that position, Mamelodi Sundowns have moved swiftly to try and tie up the deal. They will have to pay though. Fawaaz Basadien had a long-term contract at Stellies and therefore would have had to be bought out of his current contract. That's the latest with the transfer news. Fawaaz Basadien, watch the space. He's then expected to join Mamelodi Sundowns in the coming days. Now keep it locked on all my social media platforms for all transfer news, Betway Premiership. Hey, Club World Cup.